on the high, high holy day, the very best day in the year, little Mattie Groves had gone to church, holy words for to hear, holy words for to hear. The first to come down was dressed in red, and the second one dressed in green. The third to come down was Lord Daniel's wife, as fair as any queen, just as fair as any queen. Then Mattie Grove says to one of his men, see the fair one dressed in white, although she is Lord Daniel's wife, I'll be with her tonight, I'll be with her tonight. Well, the little foot page was a-standing by, and he heard every word that was said. He says, Lord Daniel shall know tonight before I go to bed, before I go to bed.